to Scuba Style here at UNTV. I am PG, and right now, please welcome. This band is so unique and so different. Lagi silang nakapula. Lagi nakapula ang bandang ito. Makikita natin kung bakit. At aside from that, meron silang special guest every time gumagawa sila ng gigs. At siya ay si Spider Dan. Kay saya-saya, panoorin natin. UNTV, Scuba Style viewers, please welcome a big hand for Kiko Machine! Ladies and gentlemen, UNTV watchers, viewers, this is the band I'm talking about. All red, all red.
We are Kiko Machine!
Woohoo! Here at Scuba Style.
Hi, I'm Jeff. I'm Billy. JP. I'm Buying.
Ito, kilala na natin to eh. Wag na lang to. Joke lang. Yeah, and you are?
I'm Spider Dan.
Spider Dan! And?
Manix.
Manix? Girls, Manix. Okay, tell me, why are you always wearing red?
We have this world domination scheme, kaya meron kami red, para madaling tandaan ng tao, maalala, meron na agad visual handle.
Eh, bakit naman kailangan ganyan yung suot niya? Pwede namang red nail polish, pwede naman red lipstick.
Kasi we're rednecks.
Rednecks, patingin ako red. Nakaganto kayo palagi. Parehong-pareho. Yun nga yung tatanungin ko, ilang ganyan ang meron kayo?
Isa lang. Ito yung Kiko Machine World Tour. Ayan. Nakita mo, di ba? Kasi ito yung mga bansa. Pinuntahan namin. Punta kami Las Vegas, New York, ayan, Guangzhou, Binondo. So talagang, yung tanong mo na Google.
Meron sila sa Amazon tsaka sa Google. Pumunta na po sila doon.
So sa mga nakapanood sa Japan, search box, wala, Kiko Machine.
Naman oo. Spider Dan, ano masasabi mo sa kalagayan ng mundo?
The world is in peril, but we are steady.
Sino yung we?
We? We is yes in Espanyol. Ay, French pala. So, yes, the world. We are the world.
Paano kung nangyari na yung world domination nyo? What's next?
Solar system domination.
Solar system domination.
Planet, may Mars pa, mayroong Pluto, Omicron Persei 8, pati
visit our Yahoo groups, Kiko Machine at yahoogroups.com.
Again, this is Kiko Machine, all in red, all over with a creature over there.
Bonjour! Scuba Style!